Braun 12-in-1 Multifunctional Food Processor Review, a true kitchen workhorse. If you're looking to simplify your kitchen prep without compromising on performance, the Braun FX3030 12-in-1 Multifunctional Food Processor is a standout option. Made in Europe with trusted German engineering, this powerful 600-watt appliance brings versatility and precision to your countertop. The FX3030 features a unique dual-bowl design, a large 12-cup bowl and a smaller 0.75L bowl, allowing you to handle different tasks efficiently, though only one bowl can be used at a time. It comes loaded with 8 attachments, including a French fry blade, chopper, kneading hook, shredders, and juicer, making it truly multifunctional. One of its strongest features is the 11-speed dual control system, which allows food processing to start at your chosen speed without ramping up, giving consistent results. It's also surprisingly quiet, especially for such a capable machine. While it isn't dishwasher safe and may be a bit bulky for small kitchens, the FX3030 offers impressive power, smart design, and real value for home cooks. Pros: 12-in-1 functionality with dual bowls. Quiet 600W motor. 11-speed control system. High-quality German engineering. Cons: hand wash only. Can only use one bowl at a time. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.